Let's cross to Madrid and speak to our correspondent, Sarah Morris. Hello to you, Sarah. Now, even Puigdemont's lawyers are saying he could be extradited, but that remains to be seen. How could this shake out?
It certainly does remain to be seen. Basically, he will appear in the Sardinia court this morning, and the Italian judges will have to start the process of deciding whether to bail Carlos Puigdemont or remand him in custody. And then a process will start to see whether there's a European arrest order against Carlos Puigdemont issued by Spain, and whether the Italian judges consider they should apply that order and extradite him to face justice by the Supreme Court in Madrid. Now, it's not a gone conclusion, as you pointed out, because you'll probably remember that back in 2018, Carlos Puigdemont, who'd already fled Spain to avoid facing justice after that independence push in 2017, he was actually arrested in Germany, and a German court decided that they didn't think he should be extradited, that the charge of rebellion, which was then being pressed against him, involved a component of violence which the German courts felt hadn't been met. So there is some skepticism among lawyers here in Spain as to whether he will indeed be extradited. But the Spanish justice system at the moment saying that they think it's a good sign that his immunity was lifted by the European Parliament. He is an MEP, and he does not enjoy immunity, according to the latest rulings, for things, potential crimes that he committed before he took over as MEP in 2019.
All right, well, let's play out one of these scenarios. If Carlos Puigdemont is extradited, what would the reaction in Spain be?
We've already seen some reaction from ordinary people and from a number of political parties saying that it's time that Carlos Puigdemont faced justice in Spain. Many people think that he broke the constitution. He used the funds of Catalonia when he was the president to try to unilaterally push the region away. And many Catalans who wanted to stay in Spain feel that he should be tried for those allegations here in Spain. We've also seen the opposition leader, Pablo Casado, saying that he doesn't want the current Prime Minister, Pedro Sanchez, to pardon him. You'll remember that in June, the Prime Minister decided he would grant pardons to those independence leaders who were convicted, who didn't flee justice. And he said that that was important. There's actually talks going on with the Catalan government and the Spanish central government. And this news of Puigdemont's arrest may throw a spanner in the works. We've already seen nationalists calling people out in front of the Italian embassy in Barcelona against Carlos Puigdemont's arrest.
All right. Thank you very much, Sarah. Sarah Morris reporting from Madrid.